Have you ever told yourself, I'll do it tomorrow, only to find tomorrow has a new tomorrow? If so, you're not alone. Let's explore why we procrastinate and how you can finally beat it for good. Procrastination is the act of delaying or postponing tasks. It's not just laziness, it's a tug of war inside your brain between short-term comfort and long-term goals. At its core, procrastination arises from emotion. Your brain wants to avoid discomfort, fear of failure, anxiety about starting, or even boredom. So it pushes you toward easy, pleasurable activities instead. Scrolling social media, checking email, or even cleaning unrelated things. Researchers identify 4 main causes of procrastination. 1. Fear of failure. 2. Perfectionism. 3. Lack of motivation or interest. 4. Poor time management. Understanding which one holds you back is crucial to breaking the cycle. When we worry we won't meet expectations, our own or others, we delay starting. It's easier to avoid the task than risk falling short. Perfectionists often delay because nothing they do feels good enough. They'd rather not start than produce imperfect work. If a task feels boring or meaningless, it's hard to muster energy. Your brain is wired to prioritize tasks that feel rewarding now. Without clear structure, deadlines, schedules, or priorities, tasks drift into later, and later becomes never. In the short term, procrastination brings relief, but over time, it increases stress, lowers self-confidence, and erodes productivity. Studies show chronic procrastinators report higher levels of anxiety and lower life satisfaction. Large tasks can feel overwhelming. Instead, break them into micro-tasks. Rather than write report, try open a new document, then write 1 paragraph, then edit first paragraph. Each tiny win builds momentum. If a task takes 2 minutes or less, do it immediately. This simple rule stops small chores and decisions from piling up. Schedule focused work blocks, say 25 minutes of work, 5 minutes break, Pomodoro technique. Use a timer. Knowing you'll have a break soon makes it easier to start and stay on task. Mark Twain said, "If it's your job to eat a frog, it's best to do it first thing in the morning." Similarly, start your day by completing the most challenging or important task. Once it's done, everything else feels easier. Instead of thinking, I have to do this boring task, tell yourself, I choose to do this because it aligns with my goals. Shifting from have to choose to gives you a sense of control and motivation. Let's review. Procrastination stems from fear, perfectionism, lack of motivation, or poor planning. To overcome it, you can 1. Break tasks into tiny steps. 2. Use the 2-minute rule. 3. Schedule focused time blocks. 4. Eat the frog first. 5. Reframe your mindset. Now it's your turn. Pick one of these strategies and try it today. No delays. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more insights on productivity and personal growth. Remember, the best time to start is now. Thanks for watching. Check out our next video on how dopamine affects your habits. See you soon.